Subtraction of negative integers using number line. Example, evaluate the following using a number line. A. -3 minus -4. B. -6 minus -4. Solution. The first expression says -3 minus -4. Let us show this with a number line. So you draw a number line and indicate integers at regular interval. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Positive integers to the right of 0. Then to the left of 0 we have -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Now, to indicate our -3, minus takes us to the left. So starting from our neutral integer, we are going to move 3 steps to the left to indicate -3. So from 0, we count 3 steps to the left. 1, 2, 3. This indicates -3. Now, we have -4. Minus means we have to go to the left. But to another minus means we are going the inverse direction. So whenever you see two opposing signs, in this case like minus and minus, it means you change your direction to the right. This same can then be written instead as -3 plus 4. Whenever you see two minus like this, it becomes plus. So now from wherever you are stopped, we then move 4 steps to the right. So to indicate our 4, we go 1, 2, 3, 4. This is plus 4, leading us to 1. Therefore, -3 minus -4 equals plus 1. B. For the second expression, we have -6 minus -4. As we have learned, whenever we have two negative signs like this, it becomes plus. So this can then be rewritten as -6 plus 4. Now let's show this on the number line. On our number line, we indicate integers 0. To the right, the positive integers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then to the left, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Now let us show -6 on this number line. Starting from 0, we are going to move 6 steps to the left to indicate -6. So from 0, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So from 0, we move to -6. Now from where we have stopped, we will then show +4 on this same number line. So from here, we're going to move 4 steps. It is to the right because of the plus sign. So from here, count 4 steps to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. This indicates plus 4. Therefore, -6 minus minus 4 equals minus 2. Thank you.